Today, I'll be demonstrating how to use the Roger On transmitter as shown here. Wear the Roger On using the lanyard. To attach the lanyard, hold it so that the convex side is facing up, depress the clip, and slide the lanyard into place. Ensure that the black tab is centered so that when you use it to pull up on the transmitter, both sides pull up equally. Pull it up until it hits the black bead. This ensures that the transmitter is at the correct distance from your mouth. To turn on the transmitter, slide the on-off button on the side and use the round button. Press 3 times to get it to be locked in presenter mode. So we have a head and shoulders and locked. Press and let go of the connect button on the back and you'll see a check mark on the display at the front if there is a successful connection. To mute, press the round button to wake up the screen and then press for 3 seconds and you'll see a line going through the microphone icon. This is muted, and to unmute, do the same. Be aware that what you're saying will be transmitted through doors and walls. The Roger On will transmit up to 25 meters or 80 feet. Please remember to mute or turn off the transmitter when there's no direct instruction. If you're not muting frequently throughout the day, you may not be doing it enough. Encourage the student to help you to remember to mute and unmute using a nonverbal signal so that the student doesn't have to interrupt you while you're talking. The Roger On can be used for small group work. Place the Roger On a tabletop, wake up the screen, and press the round button until it's locked in conference mode. This allows the student to hear their peers in the group. The student might need encouragement to use the Roger On in groups. Charge the Roger On every night. Turn it off first and plug the charging cord into the bottom of the transmitter. There's no danger of overcharging the transmitter. Our team is happy to help and answer any questions that you might have.